Decided to embark on a YouTube automation business and created my first channel about finance. I had heard that the income potential in this niche was high. I turned to Fiverr and hired a freelancer to create a script on 5 tips to become wealthy. Then I used an AI voiceover tool and did some editing. A bad editing. Actually, a very bad editing. And finally, I designed a thumbnail on Canva in about 5 minutes and uploaded the video. And then guess what?
But then it started getting some traction on day 4. It got around 1,000 views, and I thought I had already beat the YouTube algorithm, but boy was I wrong. The next day, our view count totally flatlined around 1,000 views and 120 subscribers. So I went back to the drawing board. 10 days later, I posted my second video, which was a total flop upon releasing and really didn't see much traction. And this is where things start to get weird.
In reality, it was a resounding failure. But it got me thinking and reaching about the mistakes I was making. I compared my channel with others, scouring websites, books, and blogs, and watched numerous videos to understand why I wasn't succeeding and what mistakes I had committed. Indeed, I discovered several methods and strategies that eventually led me to success on YouTube automation. I started getting views and subscribers from my very first video on a new channel. I even established 2 more channels afterward and began earning substantial amounts through YouTube automation. And now I've decided to create this channel you're watching, to share tips and techniques for you to succeed and grow your own channel, and you can build a successful YouTube automation business. In this particular video, I will show you the mistakes I made, how to overcome them, and how to make your channel grow and gain views and subscriptions from your very first video. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, like the video, and leave a comment sharing your experience or any questions you may have. I'll respond to everyone. And now, let's get started. Before delving into the step-by-step explanations, I'd like to provide you with an overarching view of the project, which might help you grasp a better understanding of the content creation process. Think of it as being a vendor in a weekly market selling a variety of products. YouTube serves as the market, and your channel is the store, and your videos are the products. As we all know, every product in the world must meet certain criteria to entice customers to purchase it. It solves a problem or offers value. It leaves a positive impression on the user or provides an excellent experience. It's unique or exceptional, meaning less competition. If these criteria are present in your video, it will spread widely. To help you understand the concept better, let me provide you with some examples. This video presents a solution to the problem of poverty or the desire to earn money. The experience? High-quality editing, distinct voiceover with excellent sound effects, and a creatively written script that keeps you engaged and interested, never bored. This is the delightful experience the customer receives when they engage with the product. Scarcity or distinction? Many videos talk about how to earn money. However, the information presented in this video is scarce and won't be found in any other video. I believe the idea is becoming clearer to you now. Let's now move into the steps and I'll explain them in detail. Each step of the process is crucial and contributes significantly to the success of the video. Step 1. Choosing the niche. It's paramount to specialize in something you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. This will allow you to understand your audience and consequently create valuable videos. Even if you might hire a freelancer to write a script for you, your comprehension of the field will help you gauge the script's quality and potential success. The common mistake many aspiring YouTube automakers make is gravitating towards higher in selecting topics, curating information, understanding their audience, and monitoring competitors. By having a deeper understanding of your chosen niche, you'll find it easier to monitor other channels within your domain, essentially your competitors. This in turn will inspire you with ideas and guide the quality of videos your audience will appreciate. Your competitors are like a glimpse into the future of your channel. Step 2. Choose the topic. To find the topic you'll cover in your video, you should start by searching for problems people are facing so that you can offer them a solution in your video. When you type "how to" into a search engine, you'll come across a plethora of questions and issues people are dealing with. This is where you'll discover the subject you'll address. Just look for a novel problem that hasn't been extensively addressed, meaning less competition and more thorough research. Alternatively, seek out existing solutions and repackage them in a distinctive manner. Step 3. Script writing. Focus on crafting a script that keeps the viewers engaged and eager to finish the video, achieved through an exceptional and distinctive hook. There are numerous marketing strategies to captivate and retain the viewers until the end. For instance, the PS strategy can be employed. You present the problem the viewer is facing, making it more intricate, and then reveal the solution at the end of the video. Alternatively, you can tell a story or deliver a personal address that makes the viewer feel like the centerpiece of the video. I'll delve into the aspect extensively in an upcoming video, as there are numerous criteria I'd like to elaborate on. This stage is, after all, the most crucial in the process. It's what determines whether the viewer will stay till the end or exit right from the beginning, which can negatively impact the video's quality. Consequently, it won't be recommended to a wider audience. Step 4. Voiceover. Some might advise you to use an AI-generated voice from an artificial intelligence platform to cut costs and save time. However, in my perspective, this could be a major mistake. Regardless of the circumstances, there's nothing better than a natural voice. You should make the viewer feel like you're sitting beside them, having a conversation, rather than having a monotonous morning lecture that presents information one after another without any human expression. Step 5. Editing. The second key element that shapes the viewer's experience and impacts their enjoyment of your video is editing. The better choice for me was to learn video editing and motion graphics myself and handle the editing of my videos personally, at least initially. Now I'll show you some criteria to pay attention to during the editing process. First, faster scene change. Try to include images and movement every second to prevent viewers from getting bored. Swift motion and a plethora of images keeps the viewer astonished, unaware of the passing time, which enhances their enjoyment. Second, sound effects. Sound effects make a significant difference in the video's quality and appeal. You can download various effects from YouTube, or, for my preference, use the remarkable website Epidemic Sound. It offers outstanding and unprecedented sound effects, making it easy to find what you're looking for.